What's going on? YouTube Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing to do with you guys. This is another box that was sent by my good buddy Jeff Goodnow, who is responsible for sending a lot of the crazy, really hyper exotic stuff that you see on this channel. This box contains multiple Grails by most people's standards, and I'm really excited to get into it. I've actually already started to cut it open because I started this video and then got into it, and then I realized that his personal information and my personal information was all over it. So I haven't actually gotten into the boxes yet, but I wanted to make a few additional cuts off camera just so I can get into this and start to open it without actually revealing anything. So here is the first box. There's actually two boxes here. So there's two knives there, and then we have this box here, which I'm going to cut open just slightly off camera, making graceful precision cuts with the Lady of the Sea. And here we are getting into it here, and we have one. Well, we got one more there. Okay, so we've got three Grail knives there. Super excited to get into those. I wasn't sure how I feel like, Jeff, I couldn't remember how many you were sending, but I also don't know how many knives is in each pouch. So let's go ahead and open the ADV. If you guys have watched my channel before and you've watched me unbox knives from my buddy Jeff, you know that the pouch is not necessarily indicative of what's inside. Right off the bat, we have three in here. You and I have been talking about this one, man. Oh my gosh, that's cool. Can I flip it first try? Oh yeah, you can. Wow, it actually is really smooth. Okay, hang on. Let's try again. You can flip this thing. Oh my gosh. This is solid Damascus, by the way, and then it looks like you've got a Damasteel blade. Wow, that is beautiful. Let me try and wipe that off a little bit. This is super cool pocket jewelry to the extreme. Very, very beautiful. Look at that blade. Oh, I bet you love carrying that one. Can't wait to talk about that beauty there. What do we have here? Ooh. Now, I don't remember talking with you about this one. Boy, that is quite the looker there. Good Lord. This is a beautiful piece. Those holes remind me a little bit of what we see sometimes on CRKT knives. This is very thin, very elegant, and super lightweight. Look at the grind on that blade. I'm going to assume that that blade is going to be quite the slicer. Let me go ahead and gently set that one down there. The third one here, I definitely do recognize. Jeff, I know this is one of your newer ones, I believe. Oh, gosh. Oh, the action on that. Yeah, that is... Oh, that's some serious luxury there, man. God dang, I like that. Ugh. So, guys, I know I never do a good job of telling you what the knives are as I unbox them. Part of that is the general organic experience I'm trying to give my viewers, because I don't know a lot about these. Jeff sends me these crazy custom pieces, and then I learn about them and then talk about them to the best of my ability when I finally do the review. So rest assured, each of these knives will get full reviews, and you'll learn more about them there. Oh, my goodness. Wow. So, Jeff, this is substantially more stunning than the pictures you... Oh, gosh, it's mirror polished Damasteel. That's just... my knees are buckling. I'm not really sure how to stand up. I'm going to need a chair. Oh, extremely smooth. You can tell this one's brand new. Oh, my gosh. So this one here, yeah... There's no friction inside there whatsoever. It's just tightness. Wow, that's beautiful. It's like a little eagle's claw or something like that. Let me give you guys a close-up of that blade. Golly. You see the blue in my shirt there? Unreal. There actually is blue anodizing in between these honeycomb patterns. You can see there the reflectivity on the handle. Perfect. You can see my whole setup and everything behind me and my ceiling. Oh my gosh, look at that. Nice, interesting sort of frozen, looks like a frosted over window finish there on the pocket clip. Very, very beautiful. I can confidently say I've never seen a knife that looks quite like that. The final one here has a Marfione bag. Oh, and there's two in here. God dang, I'm gonna have to go take a nap because I'm using up all my serotonin and dopamine reserves for the day. Oh, so this is a is it Les Voorhees, I believe, is the maker. Incredibly heavy detent on that guy. Beautiful mirror polish there on the flat, some satin finish down there on the bevel. Obviously, we have a lot of Timascus, some contour titanium, and an absolutely seamless Timascus inlay there. Oh boy, that is just beautiful. Jeff, I'm just infinitely envious of your collection. This is just unreal, man. I mean, I can't even properly divide up my enthusiasm between all of the knives that I'm opening up here. It's just insane. And the final one is this. Yeah, this is the... Is this an Olamic Swish? Ooh, boy, that's so nice. Is it the Swish or the Rainmaker? I'm not familiar with their other models outside of the Wayfarer, the Wayfarer 247, the Wayfarer Compact, and just some of their, a few of their other models. This is beautiful. The action on this one is substantial. I mean, not to say that any of the other ones that I have handled are not good, but this one is actually better or on par, at least with the Soloist, the prototype Soloist. This one feels really, really good. Can I get the reverse flick with this guy? Yeah, you can. That is wonderful. And you know what? Now I'm wondering, can I get the reverse flick with this guy? Let's do that. The action on this thing is freaking crazy. Yeah, you totally can get the reverse flick on that. Oh boy, we have some crazy stuff to talk about in the next few weeks. And I still have some insane stuff that I unboxed from him and Harry that I haven't talked about yet. If you're new to this channel, don't worry. These knives are not indicative of the entirety of my content. I absolutely like to look at budget knives and production knives and mid-tech knives. Not all customs. There's a wide variety of content here. So if you'd like to take a look at my other content I do, like I said, have lots of reviews and overviews of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.